Alright guys, today something I've always talked about doing for the Foreman. Finally gotten around to it. Finally went ahead, ran up a center snorkel. It's not sturdy right now, obviously, but that's the part I'm getting at. So we have two nice packages here. So hyped about both of them. I have a wild boar rad kit and Vessel powersports center snorkel bracket. For me, installing the wild boar rad kit in this video and then the center snorkel bracket. I can show y'all how I ran the snorkel. I mean, I think it'll hold, but we'll see. I used this 90 that I had running for the highlighter side snorkel. Bent it that way, zip tied it. It's in there pretty good. And then into a rubber coupling to meet that straight pop into a 90 and then two 45s. The 45s come up like that, as y'all can see, and glued it all pretty good. I'm hoping for no leaks. And then ran my vent lines. So, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. I've always wanted a center snorkel. All right, guys, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product now. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. I figure y'all will like it a lot too. I'm just gonna re-go over everything I was covering a minute ago. So basically, wild boar rad relocate kit and Vessel powersports center bracket. And I ran up 2-inch snorkel through the center, and so I followed the wild boar instructions off YouTube, and it took me a while to get the hoses right without drilling a hole in my plastic. Best advice I was given by a buddy was just to slide it in that slot between this and the actual plastic, and it won't. I kept having it kink right there real bad, but I finally slid it over enough where I could tighten it, and I don't think it's leaking anymore. But anyways, so no other problems with the rad kit besides that. And then center snorkel was actually really easy on this bike, surprisingly. I've never done one on a new body style, but basically everything is high lifter kit from there back, and then it comes to right here, still a high lifter piece, and then from there came off with the two-inch coupler, little piece of 2-inch pipe, a 90, a 45 right there, which connects this other 45, and then 2-inch coupler, and then it just runs up. And so I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. I reckon it's all good. One vent line I didn't run, I mean there's a vent on it, but I didn't run up the snorkel, is the fan vent line. Comment if I should run it. I had a few people tell me it don't really matter, but comment if it's gonna end up mattering, and if I should go ahead and run it or not. I really like it. I've always wanted a center snorkel on this thing, the rad kit. I just think it's the cleanest way to have a snorkel on these new bodies. I apologize for how dirty it is. Working on a video for y'all right now. Kyle's gonna come over with the Mini X, so make sure and stay subscribed and ready for it. We're about to go down there and work on a bounty hole for y'all, and it's actually going really well. Y'all are gonna be really shocked to see it, so be expecting that video. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I'll catch y'all on the next one.